We're going to take the film out of this box of Ilford Ortho Plus. We're going to load it in a couple cameras, and I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect. To open the box, we're going to open this end of the box first and tear the tap off. That way, if your camera has a film memo holder, you can just slide it right in like that and know what kind of film you're using while you take your photos. Next, we're going to take the plastic tub out of the box, and we're going to grab the cassette out of there. Some cameras have an automatic film advance. To use this, all you have to do is open up your camera, drop your cassette into the film cassette area over there, and pull out a leader until it reaches this orange index. Close your camera, and it will advance the film automatically. Some cameras like this also have silver contacts on this side right here that read the DX code on the film and tell it how fast the film is. If your camera does not have the contacts like this one does not, be sure to manually adjust your ASA dial to 80 ISO. ISO and ASA are the same, and this is an 80 speed film. If your camera has a manual film advance lever like this one does, simply open up the back of the camera, drop the cassette into the cassette chamber over here, and push the forks down. Pull out a leader and put it into the take-up spool like that. Hold your finger over the sprockets there and advance once. Close the back, advance to frame number 1, and make sure to set your ASA dial to 80. And now here are some sample photos taken with Ilford Ortho Plus so you know what to expect from this film.